Welcome to the OpenJ9 community call for October 3rd. If you haven't already, please add your name and company affiliation to the minutes. If anyone has anything urgent to discuss, please speak up. Otherwise, I'll just continue. So we have no lightning talk scheduled for today. So I'll just jump right into the new end user issues. So there's an issue instrumenting regex pattern, but I think someone's gonna look at that one. Dump Java core hanging. Who's on the call today? Keith, I don't know. Have you had a chance to look at the dump Java core hang?
No, I haven't gotten to that one yet. I'm going to have to commission a machine. I expect to reproduce it.
Yeah, it's funny because we run testing, and I assume we run testing on those machines, Red Hat 9 machines, and we haven't seen that as far as I know. So it'd
Yep.
be interesting to see if you can reproduce it.
We'll see.
Okay, does anyone have any other user-raised issues they want to discuss? So for 041, we're going to start M2 soon, I hope. Maybe today. I think Adam said there was some change he wanted to get in and then he would start it. Anyone have any comments or questions about 041? Otherwise, Java 21, we still have a number of issues. Let's see. Cheng, how's FFI coming along?
So far, I think there's no problem with Danko, and currently just working on testing in Apple all support platforms. So far, so good. Which hopefully finish all the verifying in terms of test Danko by end of this week. If everything looks good, I'll put everything together to submit to code review. That's it.
So for testing, do we still have a lot of tests disabled?
No, we just add new test cases for the Danko and Apple in OpenJ9. So based on what we have on JTrack test so far, most platform works good except there are a couple of issues on AX. Need to be take a look at it to see what's happening out there.
So the PR that you're going to put in for review will be fixing those AIX issues and then adding some testing?
The new test is for all platforms. So far we just add tested to ensure everything looks good on that.
Okay. Jack, how are we doing with Loom?
So for the Loom side, I have put in my PR for the adding stuff to Java core for the virtual thread to show the virtual thread stack traces. So that one is under review. There's some comments from Bevneet and Toby about which flag to use to enable or disable it. So I'm just working through that on my local testing to ensure the flag is set correctly. In terms of the work items, there are still a few JTREGs remaining. Some of them are intermittent. I don't think those have any in progress yet. Also, there have been work on the find scope value binding ones from Genshin. We're trying to move that faster a bit. So Bevneet will be looking into to see if Genshin can solve it this week. If not, we either
said he won't be able to work for the next 2 weeks. So I will most likely pick it up and get it merged.
Yeah. And On my side, the last issue I have for it's Skynet performance issue, which is related to the 4G stack migration, which is currently work in progress. I'm looking to have the PR open by this week, and then it will be a review and testing from the reviewer side.
It says only 2 issues left. What is that referring to? The old minutes say only 2 issues left. Confident to resolve for end of September, which obviously didn't happen.
So I think those refer to the Java stack trace thread and the sub4G, the two that Jack was specific. So those are implementation specific things to Project Loom, and which will include the Java stack trace ish PR that Jack just mentioned, and the other one is the 4G above 4G migration.
Okay. There's a PR in our milestone plan where nothing seems to be happening. Is that the one? The implement thread find scoped value bindings. Is that the one, Babneet, that you said you might
Yep.
pick up?
All right, I will. I think pick it up. I think I will have to set up a meeting with Gak. I think only Gak's review is pending, and then get it merged for Gengcheng. I think he said he has university exams due in the next 2 weeks, so he won't be able to work on it.
Okay. And then the JVMTI issues, I think there's something pending.
So the one consistent one, there was some progress from the GC team. It helped fix one test case, and then one test case is still failing. So for the consistent failure, we will have to push a VM fix, a GC fix, and then there's one pending failure which will still need to be looked at. And then there are 4 intermittent issues. I didn't get to look at them because I got diverted by the internal certification test failures. And then I think, yeah, that's it.
All right. Anything else to say about Java 21?
I'm good. Jack?
Nothing else from me.
I guess this thing about union support is obsolete. We're done the union support for FFI.
Yeah, we're pretty much done all the implementation and unit support, and so far we are just verifying the test case in Apple.